Well, it's about noon on Thursday. I'm sitting here in the heavy haul truck. Got the RGN behind me. Waiting for the phone call to go pick up the 5. I hate leaving this late in the afternoon. It means I'm not going to get home till 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night. I'd rather leave earlier in the day, but can't get anyone to give me an address or an okay to go get it so I can start heading up there. So I'm just waiting. Sitting here. So yeah. Just going to go pick up the 5 up in northwest Arkansas and then bring it back down here, I suppose. So I'm like, come on, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hate waiting. I've always been the impatient type. I'd rather just get going. But I'm messing around with YouTube right now anyways. As soon as they tell me, I'm out of here. Well, I'm over here picking it up. It's 2D5 sitting there. I'm gonna assume that ours is the LGP and not the XT. But pick up the neck, take the weight off the locks, put the trailer down a little bit, unlock the pin, set the trailer on the ground. Release your airlines, which at the same time locks the brakes on. Oh, it's hard to do one-handed. Pull your pigtail, set them up on the deck. Collapse the cylinders. I should mention I dropped the airbags before I even started the video. Set your jack leg down, pick up on the front of the trailer or on the neck, almost to the point it touches the locks. Shut your pony off, motor off, and drive away. Well, came up here to come pick up the 5 in northwest Arkansas, and I left my GoPro just sitting on the roller when I was doing my time lapse. I just drove away. So now I have Ashley and all 4 dogs in the car, and it's 8 o'clock at night, and I drove the 2 hours back up here to come pick this thing back up. Now I think it's probably going to take us about an hour and a half, I think, to go by, hour and 45 minutes. But in the semi it's about 2 hours to drive. So now I gotta head home. So where do you want to eat?
Wendy's.
Plan B. Because I don't want fried food at all.
Okay.
Can't eat fried food. I stomach will handle fried
I don't know.
grease anymore.
Got a lot of options for that.
Mexican sandwiches, something grilled, Chinese food.
You pick.
Knew you were gonna say that. So much easier if I just go and eat somewhere and then
Just
make
no
her eat it.
Quiznos.
Quiznos.
No sandwiches.
All right, taco truck. Taco truck it is. See the disgust on her face, how much she hates me. She doesn't even have to say it anymore. I just know she hates me. Eat a Luna bar. Because a lot of times when women are angry, they're actually just hungry. Right?
Yep. Chips and chocolate doesn't go very far.
So we're gonna make our way back. The puppy's back there chewing. And these guys are all piled up here. Somebody didn't want to leave them at home. So took them all for a car ride. The way back, going back should go a little bit quicker. But I'm happy to have my GoPro back. That would have been bad. This thing was about $800 all in. And I can't afford that right now. So we'll stop and get a little something to eat. So we are making our way home. Dogs are back there, sort of behaving. Pim's up here on me, as usual, because he's the one that gets to go on the semi with me all year. So he's used to going for rides. Ashley's regretting her decision to go for a ride because I told her Fort Smith and then I took her to Fayetteville. And it's about, what, an hour difference?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yep.
So it's, what, 8:30? We probably have an hour and a half till we're home. So we're going to be pulling it home at like 10 o'clock at night. But it's getting a little too dark to video with the GoPro. So we're almost to the tunnel, for those who know this area. Not too far away from the tunnel at least. And unless something else exciting happens, we'll be seeing you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
That was real enthusiastic.
All right. See you tomorrow.